Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, now before we move towards our today's lesson, let's see what we learned in previous lesson. In previous lesson, we learned some vocabulary words. We learned some vocabulary words in Urdu. If you want to watch that lesson, you can always go back and watch lesson 15. The link is provided in the description of this video. Alright, now let's see how to say Saturday in Urdu. Saturday is one of the days of the week. In English, we say Saturday. In Urdu, it is hafta. Hafta. Saturday, hafta. Alright, now today we are going to learn counting further. Alright, so now let's learn it from 16 to 20. Alright, so let's begin. 16. In English, we say 16, and in Urdu, 16. 16. In English, we say 17, and in Urdu, it is 17. 17. In English, we say 18, and in Urdu, 18. 18. 18. In English, we say 19, and in Urdu, 19. 19. In English, we say 20, and in Urdu, 20. 20. Now let's repeat one more time. 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, now how about we rhyme and learn? Let's do it.
15 के बाद 16, 17, 18, 19 और 20, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 16, 17, 18, 19 और 20.
Alright, repeat many times for practice. Okay, so let's see. Let's learn some vocabulary words in Urdu. Alright, ready? The first word is water. And in Urdu, it is pani. Pani. Food. In English, we say food, and in Urdu, khana. Khana. Then in English, we say spoon, and in Urdu, it is chammach. Chammach. Now let's repeat one more time. In English, water. In Urdu, pani. In English, food. In Urdu, khana. In English, spoon. In Urdu, chammach. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, let's learn a few more words. door. In English we say door, and in Urdu, darwaza. Darwaza. Then in English we say roof, and in Urdu it is chat. Chat. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Let's repeat one more time here. Door, darwaza, roof, chat. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, so we say is when we are talking about singular or one thing, and in Urdu we say hai for singular things. In English is for singular things, and in Urdu hai for singular things. Then we say are for plurals in English, or the things which are more than one, and in Urdu we say hain for plural things or the things which are more than one. So let's repeat one more time. For singular or one thing we use is in English, and in Urdu we say hai, and are we use for plurals in English or for the things that are more than one, and in Urdu we say hain. Hai, hain. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Now let's give a look at a few sentences. Let's learn. In English we say, this is a spoon. I hope you do remember this. We use this for the things which are or which is close to us, right? So this is a spoon. In Urdu we say, ye chammach hai, or we say, ये एक चम्मच है. Then we say these are spoons when they are more than one. In English we say these are spoons, and in Urdu it is ये चमचे हैं, because they are more than one. So we said हैं. So we are going to say हैं. These are spoons. ये चमचे हैं. Let's repeat one more time. This is a spoon. ये चम्मच है और ये एक चम्मच है. These are spoons. ये चमचे हैं. Alright. So this is a door. ये दरवाजा है और ये एक दरवाजा है. Then these are doors. ये दरवाजे हैं. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say this is a spoon, and in Urdu ये चम्मच है और ये एक चम्मच है, because we are talking about one spoon. In English we say these are spoons, and in Urdu ये चमचे हैं. In English we say this is a door, and in Urdu ये दरवाज़ा है और ये एक दरवाज़ा है. Then in English we say these are doors, and in Urdu ये दरवाजे हैं. Repeat many times for practice. I hope you have understood everything learned in this lesson. This is the end of our today's lesson. I will meet with you again into the next lesson. Watch this video lesson and repeat many times for practice. Do watch the previous lessons as well for better practice. I will see you again. Take care. Allah Hafiz.